Yo, what up? So I've been thinking about doing this YouTube project for a long time, and we're finally doing it. So today we are going to build a mobile application with React Native. For those of you guys who doesn't know what React Native is, so React Native is developed by Facebook. It's a framework that allows you to build an application that works across Android and iOS. Usually, mobile applications are developed separately for iOS and Android. Um, so that's what we're trying to do. By the way, I've never done React Native before. I've only used React in my previous internship, so we will have to learn it from scratch. Kind of, not from scratch, I mean. And I'll see what I can build in 1 month. Just to give you guys an idea of what kind of application that I'm trying to build here. So this is the application that I worked on before. It's basically a snow report application, and this is a WeChat mini program. So it only works in WeChat. Not a lot of people are using it because it's so hard to promote a WeChat mini program. So so we want to build a React Native version, which is in English, for more people to use it. You can see the webcam of the Cypress Mountain and the weather and temperature. Clicking to here, it's going to show you the snow forecast of the next 1 week, which is very useful. So that, yeah, basically we're just building a clone of this application with React Native. Let's see how it goes. So I think we got our dev environment set up already. We can try to test it. We can just change the text to ha ha ha. Yo, we got it. Yeah, boy. All right, now we gotta do some real stuff. We gotta learn React Native. This looks pretty close right now, right? Yeah. So we got the front page done, and this is just some dummy data. I think we're ready to hook it up with the existing backend. Fetch some real data. Let's go. Ah, 操啊！So I was stuck for a while trying to get this API working. I was trying to see how I can make the API request inside a component, but turns out that I can use the useState function inside a functional component. It initializes the data with the value inside a bracket, and also it gives you a function set data. It doesn't matter what you name it, but it gives you this function that allows you to update the data with it, which data is state, this functional component. So right here we can see that we call the fetch overview. We fetch the data from our backend, and then we can, if it succeeds, we call set data to store it inside a state of a functional component. So I just tested it. I think it works. I am able to retrieve the data. We got the temperature, we got the weather, we got the snow depth and the season. Now we can use these data to display on the front end. Nice. Not sure if you guys can see it, but see that? This number comes from our backend. Yeah. Nice. If it's not available, we don't show it. Amazing. All right. Yo, it looks pretty damn good already. Look at this.
So I was editing my video and I realized that how bad I was at explaining. So I'm just gonna start record it over again. We retrieved the list of mountain from our backend through the API, and then the most important line of code is this line. So this .map function, what it does is that for every item in the list, so an item in this case is a mountain, and for every item in this list, we render one of those mountain item, which is this. So this is a mountain item, and inside a mountain item we got the image, we got the mountain name, and also we got 3 boxes of the snow depth corresponding to 24 hours, 7 days, and season. So that's how it works.
Alright, today's the second day of Snowly development. We're starting to implement the detailed view of the mountain. I just figured out how to use the navigation in React Native. So this is what I have right now, just to show you guys. If you click one of the mountain, it's going to go into the detailed view. It's pretty late right now. It's already 12 o'clock. I think I'm going to go to sleep and continue with it tomorrow.
Oh, this is actually fun. I got myself a microphone because I realized that the one on my laptop is too shitty, and now it should sound a lot better, right? It's day 3. Let's do some coding.
So right here, I'm actually trying to figure out how to get the SVG icon working with React Native. So SVG icon is animated icon that move, it will look better in the front end. And also I ran into a problem where my data that indicates what weather icon to show is in form of a string, which means that I'll have to find a way to import the static image dynamically. And I actually found a blog post that teaches you how to use the React Native SVG package, but I still can't get it working. So I gave up using on the pretty SVG. We are going with the good old PNG. I feel like we got stuck here for way too long just to get that icon working. nav. Yeah. Batch convert SVG to PNG. Oh, nice. Yo, we got everything. Just found a batch. We just found a batch convert that we convert all the SVG into a PNG format so that we can use the image file. Nice. This is so stupid. Stupid, but I like it. Let's go. Bruh. Man. Oh shit, it's behind it. What the fuck? What the fuck? Why is it covered? Why is it behind it? Dude. The whole time I thought it was not working. But this image was hiding behind that. See that? It's yellow. I'm gonna cry. This is beautiful. Boom! That feels good. That feels good.
Yeah. Man, it's kind of depressing that I made so much progress in the first day, and then the second day, I mean, we made some good progress on the first day and the second day, and the third day, we got stuck on this stupid icon. So we try to use the SVG icon in the beginning. It worked, actually. I think it worked, but it was hiding the whole time. It was hiding behind this. It was covered, so I couldn't see it. Oh, it took me like 2 hours. It stuck me like 2 hours. Man, this is software engineer in a nutshell. Hope you guys enjoyed the first part of my video. I actually had a lot of fun making it, and this is my first time filming and editing a project, so it might be a little bit boring for people who don't know any programming. So I'm still trying to figure things out here, how to make things entertaining for people. And I have some more cool projects that I have in mind that I want to do in the future, so stay tuned for that. And part 2 coming soon. Peace.